4U Corporation was founded in Huizhou, Guangdong Province in 1993. Over more than 20 years exploration and development, 4U Corporation has taken up various businesses including precision electronics, automotive electronics, precision die casting, LED lighting, etc. Now, it has built an area of 500,000 plus square meters of industrial parks. As one of the few enterprises in China that possess key technologies and resources in the industry, 4U Corporation has mastered industry-leading technologies in automotive infotainment, driving control and safety, automotive comfort and health, vehicle body electronic products, key automobile components, precision die casting, LED lighting, etc. With strong abilities in R&D and manufacturing, 4U Corporation endeavors to constantly provide customers with skilled products and system solutions. 4U has established itself as an advanced automotive electronics enterprise in China. In addition, the precision die casting business of 4U Corporation is scaling rapidly. In addition to the automotive industry, its main products are also widely used in other industries such as aviation, machinery, and electronics. In the lighting industry, 4U Corporation has a relatively integrated industry chain and has mastered some leading technologies. 4U not only produces all kinds of advanced LED lamps and high-reliability LED power supplies, but also provides intelligent lighting and other system solutions to customers. With a strong R&D ability, 4U Corporation has always regarded R&D as an important measure to maintain its long-term competitiveness and has always attached great importance to product and technology R&D. The Adayo Industry Research Institute, 4U's R&D organization, has established close technical business relationships with many renowned domestic institutions of higher learning and famous international companies. By virtue of its strong manufacturing engineering capability, 4U Corporation has reached advanced levels domestically in fields like semi-automation, automation production equipment, production processes, tools and die technologies, and product testing. With an excellent quality assurance system, 4U subsidiaries has successfully obtained a number of system certifications. In the last 2 years, 4U has been vigorously promoting the Industry 4.0 and building smart factories by adhering to the long-term policy of continuously promoting factory automation, FA, and lean management. 4U Corporation has implemented a amoeba management mode in a comprehensive manner by delivering management accounting statements at all levels and following the right company philosophy. The group has allowed more employees to participate in its operations, which has greatly improved the pertinence and effectiveness of incentives by adhering to the employment principle of hiring talents with both potential integrity and professional competence and taking political integrity first. 4U Corporation has continuously strengthened the building of its talent team and improved the comprehensive capabilities and professional abilities of its staff. With the implementation of talent introduction, cultivation, development, and incentive measures, 4U has created a good atmosphere of enjoying working, studying, making progress, and making forward at 4U. 4U is now engaged in many industries such as auto electronics and components and LED lighting, which have many development opportunities and a huge market.
我们改变不了世界，但是可以改善人类的生活，这将是我们永恒的追求。
The immersed sea allows fish to swim at liberty, and the vast sky lets birds fly freely. Facing historic opportunities, 4U will strive to provide competitive products and services, constantly creating values for customers and benefit our staff, shareholders, and the society. And it will continue to forge ahead and make great efforts to achieve the goal of becoming a stronger and a bigger company.